Welcome to my YouTube channel IIT Physics Academy by Suren sir. My dear student, today we will learn very important MCQ of chapter number 8 Motion, Standard 9 Science subjects. So let's start question number 1. Meter per second square is the SI unit of option number A distance, option number B displacement, option number C velocity, and answer number D acceleration. Tell fast which is correct answer. ठीक है, give the correct answer in comment box. Do fast everyone. तो correct answers of question number 1 is D option, acceleration. Okay, now question number 2. A car goes from a town A to another town B with a speed of 40 km per hour and return back to the town A with a speed of 60 km per hour. The average speed of the car during the complete journey is option number A 48 km per hour, option B 50 km per hour, option C 0, and option number D none of these. Do fast. What is correct answers of question number 2? Think about. So correct answer of question number 2 is option number A 48 km per hour. Now question number 3. This question is very easy. The rate of change of displacement with time is called speed, B option velocity, C option acceleration, and D option retardation. So tell the correct answer in comment box fast. So correct answers of question number 3 is B option velocity. चलिए next question number 4. The initial velocity of a body is u. At is the under the uniform acceleration A. Its velocity B at any time t is given by option number A B equal to u plus at square. B opशन है B equal to u plus 2at. ऑप्शन नंबर C B equal to u plus at, and D ऑप्शन है कैपिटल V plus u. Tell fast what is correct answers of this question. If you know first equation of motion, so you can select. Okay, so correct answers of question number 4 is option number C B equal to u plus at. This is the correct answer. Now question number 5th. The distance covered in time t by the body having the initial velocity u and having the uniform acceleration a is given by s equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, ut plus half at. This result is follows from option A Newton first law, option B Newton second law, option 3 Newton third law, and option D none of these. Okay, tell first. So this option is option number D none of these. तो D is the correct answer. ये किसी में भी नहीं है. Okay, now question number 6. A ball is thrown vertically upward and it rises to a height 50 meter and comes back to the throwers. Option number A, the total distance covered by ball is 0. The net displacement of the ball is 0. The displacement is 100 meter. या none of these. बोलिए करेक्ट आंसर कौन सा है? हाँ, ऑप्शन नंबर V is the correct answer. Net displacement of ball is 0. This is the correct answer of question number 6. Okay, now next question number 7. In 12 minutes, a car whose speed is 35 km per hour travel of a distance. Option number A 7 km, option number B 3.5 km, and option number C 40 km, and option number D 28 km. Think about, because speed is kilometer per hour, so you will convert 12 minutes in hours, and then after you can find the formula. You know V equal to क्या होता है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट D बाई टी. ओके, इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड द D तो क्या होगा, V इंटू टी. तो वेलोसिटी you have and time also you have given that, तो D equal to you can write 35 into and 12 minute convert in hours, तो कितना हो जाएगा ये, 12 5 1 जा 12 5 जा, then 5 7 जा 35, तो answer will be D equal to 7 kilometer we have got. तो correct answers of this question is option number A 7 kilometers. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now question number 8. When a graph of one quantity versus another result in a straight line, the quantities are option A both constant, option number B equal, option number C directly proportional, and option number D is inversely proportional. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा, जल्दी से बताइए. करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज ऑप्शन नंबर C, directly proportional to that. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now next question number 9. A body moving along a straight line at 20 meter per second undergoes the acceleration of -4 meter per second square. After 2 seconds, its speed will be. Do fast everyone. Option A is -8 meter per second. Option number B 12 meter per second. Option number C 16 meter per second, and option number D 28 meters per second. Calculate it. Do fast. Speed of after 2 minutes. तो कितना होगा, करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज ऑप्शन नंबर B 12 meter per second. Okay, now question number 9. A car increases, question number 10. A car increases its speed from 20 km per hour to 30 km per hour in 10 seconds. Its acceleration is option number A 30 meter per second, option number B 3 meter per second square, option number C 18 meter per second square, and D 0.83 meter per second square. Do fast. तो करेक्ट आंसर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 is option number D 0.83 meter per second square. First you will convert kilometer per hour in meter per second, and then after you will calculate. Okay, you will use the formula of acceleration, changes velocity upon time. Okay, now question number 11. A body whose speed is constant. Option number A must be accelerated. Option number B might be accelerated. Option number C has a constant velocity. Option number D cannot be accelerated. Okay, give the correct answer. Fast, do fast everyone. कमेंट बॉक्स में जल्दी से कमेंट करिए. ओके, तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा, तो करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज ऑप्शन नंबर B might be accelerated. This is the correct answer. Okay, now question number 12. When the distance that and the object travel in directly proportional to length of time, it is the said to with option number A, zero velocity, option number B, constant speed, option C, a constant acceleration, and option number D, यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी। बोलिए कौन सा करेक्ट आंसर होगा? टू फास्ट एवरीवन, जल्दी से आंसर बोलिए, क्या होना चाहिए? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, कांस्टेंट स्पीड इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। A particle moves with uniform positive acceleration. Its velocity time graph will be option number A straight line parallel to the time axis. Option B, a straight line inclined at an obtuse angle to the time axis. Option number C, a straight line inclined at the acute angle to the time axis. Option number D, none of these. Do fast. Which is correct answer of this? So velocity time graph if you draw, so you can get the correct answer. Okay, you know which type of the line is there. So line should be straight line, inclined line, and then acute angle will be there. So option number correct answers of question number 13 is option number C, straight line inclined at the acute angle of the time. Okay, now question number next 14. Slope of the speed time graph gives option number A, speed, option number B, velocity, option number C, acceleration, option number D, momentum। सभी बता सकते हैं। टाइम और स्पीड और टाइम के बीच में ग्राफ बनाया जाता है, तो स्लोप ऑफ द स्पीड एंड ग्राफ क्या दर्शाता है, क्या दिखाता है? तो वी कैन गेट गिव द करेक्ट आंसर, बोलिए जल्दी से। तो इसका आंसर होगा स्लोप ऑफ स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ इज इंडिकेट टू ऑप्शन नंबर सी, एक्सेलरेशन इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। ओके, एंड नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन this video, question number 15. A particle experience constant acceleration for 20 seconds after starting from rest, and if it travel to distance s1 in first 10 seconds and then distance s2 next 10 seconds। ओके, तो s2 इक्वल टू क्या होगा? s1, s2 इक्वल टू 2s1, s2 इक्वल टू 3s1 एंड s2 इक्वल टू 4s1। थिंक अबाउट, डू फास्ट, क्या होगा आंसर इसका? तो करेक्ट आंसर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, s2 इक्वल टू 3s1। दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। ओके, इन दिस वे all 15 questions is completed. You will revise many time and solve it. Okay, so I think you have comment, आप मुझे कमेंट में आंसर दिए होंगे और एक दो बार आप उसको रिवाइज करिए जिससे आपका 100% तैयारी हो सके। ओके, थैंक यू।